Welcome once again, and let's talk about fake token. Feed every gorilla token fake. You can see xt.com and Bkex are controlling fake token. They have been supporting fake token greatly, and I believe every fake token holder, we all believe fake is a future coin, and fake token will pump. Of course, they have gotten a lot of support from Gate.io. They have gotten a lot of support from PancakeSwap, from Uniswap, V2, Bkex, and of course xt.com. And I'm expecting more listening very soon, and we might be seeing crypto.com, Kucoin coming in very soon. Now, Bkex are controlling about 36.19% of fake token volume today, and you can see xt.com are controlling 43.60% of that volume. So these two together are controlling a total of 79.79% of fake token volume in the past 24 hours, almost 80%. Wow, you can see that Bkex and xt.com are really supporting fake token. They are doing their best to support this coin, and I believe very soon we might be seeing Get.io coming up and then start massively supporting fake token. I want to see, of course, Get.io pushing higher more than Bkex and xt.com. I want to see the volume increases more on Get.io, and I believe Kucoin can also push the price of fake token. I believe crypto.com can push the price of fake token. If these two can come in to support this coin, of course, it's going to be a massive bonus for fake token. And let's hope that fake token will continue to increase, and fake token will definitely hit a high level, just like other successful memo coins. Yes, if fake token can maintain the level they are, the developers can keep working hard, and if their roadmap, of course, they can be working towards achieving their plans, we'll be seeing fake token at a higher level next year, 2023. But please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.